Hello, in this video we will be going over how to connect a primary display to the Libra plant hardware. The primary display is typically a tablet-sized device that is mounted directly in the cab and is the device that is going to actively store and display all of your planting data. It's kind of the brains of the operation. Without a primary display, nothing is getting logged or cataloged. uh, to connect a display, all pairing is done here in the LibraPlant app itself. So we can just go to the Settings tab and begin here. The only reason to head to the Settings app on your device is to make sure that location and Bluetooth is turned on for the device. Before we begin pairing, in the middle of the screen here, we will have our display mode setting. We're going to want to make sure that that is highlighted as primary. So in green there, we'll want primary. Once we have that set up, we will head to the Add Libra at the top right there, and we'll be given the pairing menu. Here we have the name of the equipment we will be putting, just some IDs so that you know what this is supposed to be on. Then we have the equipment type. We have the planter mode for use on planters, drills, fertilizers, spreaders, anything like that where we are actively sending out the product with the equipment. And then we have the tender mode meant for seed tenders where we're obviously supplying the equipment with the product instead of directly tied to it. If we have the display rounding, you can set that at whatever you like. Unload detection, this will be the automatic detection for loads and unloads. Then we have the minimum load here. This should be set at the default of 100 and just kind of left there unless otherwise directed by any support staff that you may be dealing with. Then we have display smoothing. This will just stop the display from flickering so much if you have particularly bumpy fields. This is a nice option. It kind of draws out the weights rather than making them flicker second to second. At the very bottom of the screen here, we have our available devices. So go ahead and find your device among the list. You can just match up serial numbers from the box. And then that'll be selected in our selected devices here with a little check mark. And once we have all of that filled out and selected up, we can tap Add Plus at the top. It'll give us a little notification saying that we are indeed connected. We can see that in our Libra devices list here, we have a check mark next to the device that we are connected to. And if we head to the display tab, we can see that we are reading out weights from the device now. So that is how to pair a primary device. For more instructional videos, app help, how-to guides, and troubleshooting tips, please visit our support page at support.agromatics.com.